Hello and welcome to Third Power Life podcast. Super excited that you are here for the beginning of season 3. I've been doing this podcast for a while and changing things up just a little bit. My sole purpose has not changed. I'm here, I always say my personal mission is to make the song Cats in the Cradle just a song and not a story about anybody's life. And I want to keep helping people find purpose, find success, be able to have the success that you want and not lose your soul in the process. I am shifting that just a little bit now because AI has become such a huge factor in our lives, and I'm a technology geek at heart, right? Wrote my first computer program in 1980. I've been a software developer a long time, and for me, in my coaching and in my speaking and all of that, systems are such an important thing to build, to keep ourselves honest, to track what we're doing. Systems are everything, and with the advent of AI, that has become even more and more important than ever. So I've written a couple of books on AI at this point, and I've been helping people leverage AI to get more out of their life and more out of their business, more out of their jobs. Now, the key is that when we do that, when we get time back using these amazing technology systems, what do we do with that time? And that's where we come back to my original purpose with life balance, with purpose, is okay, great, you got an extra 10 hours from leveraging AI this week. Now, let's do some self-care. Let's reflect on everything that we've got going on in our lives. Let's take some extra time with our kids. Let's, do something good for ourselves, right? Let's leverage the technology. The way that it was intended is technology was supposed to save us time, save us stress, make our lives better. And in my experience, most of the time, it's done kind of the opposite. And so, I want to make sure that you are leveraging AI and technology and all of these systems to do amazing things and to keep your soul happy. So that is what season 3 of Third Power Life is all about. It's still going to be focused on purpose and balance and doing what's good for you, but with that AI twist. So I'm going to be talking about AI technology. I'm going to be talking about how we intertwine that with our humanness, how we use it for business, how we use it for personal, all of the things. So I'm excited to invite you on this journey. It's going to be amazing. I'm in a new studio, as you can tell. There'll be more changes to this as we go. But I'm excited for you to be here. Looking forward to it. Great things are coming. I appreciate you all. And until next time, keep living your life to the third power. Thank you for listening to the Third Power Life podcast. To find more information about our programs, you can visit thirdpowerlife.ai.